Hello, welcome to my channel. We will make a AList project. If you want, let's just start. First of all, we made a AList project, a new project. Project name is a AList project, and we opened the three class: AList, AList test, AList client. First class, public class, AList T. Private T list, private int size. Private static finality. We have to write these codes because of the else test doesn't work. Public list int capacity list new object capacity size 0. Public void add a tnew entry. If size equal list length lists arrays copy 0. List length size array. Public void add int position new entry. If position less than 0, position more than size. Return if size equal list length. List arrays copy of list length. For int e size e more than position e minus minus. List e equal list e minus 1. List position equal new entry. Size plus plus. Public T remove int position. If position less than 0, position equal more than size. Return null. T result equal list position. For int e equal position e less than size minus 1 e plus plus. List e equal list e plus 1. List minus minus size equal null. Return result. Public T replace int position T new entry. If position less than 0, position equal more than size. Return null. T alt entry equal list position equal new entry. Return alt entry. Public T gain entry in position. If position less than 0, position equal more than size. Return null. Public boolean contains T and entry for int e equals 0, e less than size, e plus plus. If list equals an entry, return true. Return false. Public int get length, return size. Public boolean is empty, return size equal 0. Public void clear. For int e equals 0, e less than size, e plus plus, list e null, size equals 0. Last of part, public object to array, return arrays a copy of list size. We wrote these codes because of the AList test. List guidance Java, public class list lint, public state void main string args. Let's get a test. I wrote all codes because of the test. Let's explain these codes. Import Java util arrays. A comprehensive test program to verify all functionalities of a list class. This extends the list client class to test all available methods thoroughly. Each method is tested with multiple scanners and time completions are explained in detail. Use breakpoints and at the keyed points to observe how the data structure operates internally. Public class AList test. Public static void main string args AList integer blah blah blah. Create an instance of AList with an initial capacity of 10. AList integer list and new AList. Step 1. Test add a new entry, adding elements to the list. Let's go. System out println testing add a new entry. First element, second element, and the last third element. System out println time complexity for normal addition if resizing is needed. Step 2. Test add in position t new entry adding the specific position. System out parent line testing add in position to new entry. List add 2 and 20. Insert 20 at index 2. System out parent line plus arrays to string list to array. Time complexity 0 and due to element shifting. Step 3. Test remove in position removing an element. System out parent line testing remove in position list remove position 1. Removing element at index 1. System out parent line list after removing element at index 1 add to the rings list array. Time complexity O and due to shifting elements after removal. Step 4. Test replace in position T new entry replacing element. System out parent line testing replace in position T new entry. List replace 2 25. Replace element and index 2 with 25. Arrays to strings list to array. Let's keep going to step 5. Step 5 test scant entry in position retrieving an element. Test scant stem out print line testing get entry in position stem out print line element at index 2 list get entry position 2. Time complexity O1. Step 6. Test contains entry checking for an element. System out print line. Testing contains an empty entry. System out print line. List contains is it 10? List contains is it 25? List contains 10. List contains 25. Time complexity O and since it requires scanning the list. Step 7. Test get line checking size, system out print line testing get line. System out print line list size list get line. Time complexity O1. Steps 8. Test is empty, checking if list is empty. System out print line testing is empty. System out print line is list empty. Is list empty. List is empty. Time complexity O1. Step 9. Test clear resulting the list. System out print line testing clear. List clear. System out print line list after clearing. Arrays to string list to array. System out print line is list empty after clear. List is empty. Those codes all. Let's get a run and checking the bugs or out print line. We have run it. Test at the new entry list after adding elements 5, 10, 15. Testing 8 in position to new entry list after adding 20 and index 2, 5, 10, 20, 50. Testing remove int position list after removing element and index 1 5 20 15. Testing replace int position t new entry list after replacing index 2 with 25 5 20 25. Testing get entry in position element and index 2 25. Testing contains t and entry list contains 10 false list contains 25 it is true. Testing get length list size 3. Testing is empty is it is empty false. Testing clear list after clearing is list empty after clear it is true. Process finished with exit code 0. Thanks for the watching me. Uh, we have AList project and tested all codes and explain to all codes you. Thanks again for watching me.